welcome back. Sorry, I haven't uploaded in a while. But hey, welcome. You'll expect an upload on Saturdays, Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. This is a video of our Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Please enjoy and subscribe. Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, Thomas Wood, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Neville, Diesel, Molly, Spencer, Emily, Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, Victor, Billy, Diesel 10, Murdoch, Stephen, Scruff, Dodge and Splatter, Caitlin, Salty, and Belle. Here are our narrow gauge engines. Scarlowy, two Aeneases, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, Proteus, Caldy, Rusty, Duncan, Fergus, and Fearless Freddy. Here are some of the road vehicles. These are not all, but here are just some. Birdie, Sir Topham Hatt's car, and here's Sir Topham Hatt. I bet he wants you to subscribe to Trevor, Butch, and the Spotlight Lorry. Here are our coaches, or some of our coaches, and some cars. Annie Clarabelle, two of Gordon's Express coaches, Old Slow Coach, and Mr. Jolly's Chocolate. This is some of the Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll expect way more uploads to these days.